Okay guys, we have here the startup piece to connect to your unit. Once again, you got to make sure everything is UL approved, certified, I should say. And it tells you, they ask you for the airspace, all that. You want to follow these instructions by manufacturer specs, engineer design. So these ones are very easy. They lock. It locks in place. You turn it to the right and it locks in. You turn it to. You spin it. You turn it and turn it to the right, and it'll lock in place for you. And then it comes with this ring. Got right here, and it'll lock these two connections for you. So gotta make sure this is in. Otherwise, it could come off. And they give you it comes with the screwies for it, so you don't have to like. You could make something up if you lose the screw, but it's all stainless steel. It's all designed for it. The whole kit is about, I would say, a good $900 by the time all said and done. So all fuel type pipe. And I will take more videos over here and show you guys how it goes. Once we get it all set up, this is the storm collar for it. Kind of seals up this part here. It goes over the roof flashing, so water don't come in. That seals that. And then you can always see on top as well. So